Flour is getting expensive, but did you know you can make your own potato flour at home using just fresh potatoes? In this video, I will show you my simple step-by-step method. So the first thing you need is fresh healthy potatoes, okay? So try to choose potatoes that are firm and free from rot or green spots, okay? So after getting your potatoes, start by peeling the potatoes carefully. Removing the skin helps produce a cleaner and smoother flour. Once peeled, slice the potatoes into thin pieces. The thinner the slices, the easier and faster they will dry later. After slicing the potatoes, place them in a bowl or container filled with clean water. Then wash the potatoes thoroughly to remove dirt or sand, okay? Since potatoes grow in soil, they usually carry some dirt, so make sure they are very clean. Once the potatoes are thoroughly washed and cleaned, the next thing to do is to transfer it into another clean bowl. Then pour clean water over them until the potatoes are fully covered, okay? Please leave the potatoes to soak for about 24 hours. This soaking process helps to remove excess starch and improve the quality of the potato flour. While soaking, you may notice the water becoming cloudy. This is normal because the starch is being released from the potatoes, okay? If you want better results, you can change the water once or twice during this soaking process. After the full 24 hours, drain the potatoes and you can rinse them again with clean water. Now the potatoes need to be dried completely before grinding. Spread the soaked slices on a clean tray, sack or a drying rack. Make sure the slices are well spread out so they don't overlap too much. This allows air and sunlight to dry them evenly. You can dry them under the sun for several hours or even a couple of days depending on the weather. The goal is to make sure the potato slices become completely dry and hard. If they still contain moisture, the flour may spoil quickly. Once the potato slices are fully dry and brittle, the next step is grinding them. You can use a strong blender if you have one, food processor or a grinding machine. After grinding, sieve the powder using a fine sieve, okay? This helps remove larger particles and give you a smoother flour. If any coarse pieces remain in the sieve, you can grind them again until they become fine. And finally, store the potato in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place so it stays fresh for a very long time. And that's how you make your own potato flour at home using simple ingredients and basic tools, okay? Homemade potato flour can be used in baking, cooking or as a natural thickener for soup and sauces. It can also be prepared as a swallow, just like other flour-based swallow, and it goes well with any soup at all. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and follow for more simple food and kitchen tips. See you in my next one. Bye.